12 खड़ी। जब हम व्यंजन जोड़ते हैं तो 12 हिंदी स्वर अलग अलग ध्वनियां देते हैं। 12 Hindi vowels give different sounds when we add a consonant. जब हम vowels को consonants के साथ जोड़ते हैं तब वो 12 different sounds देते हैं। हिंदी मात्रा शब्द का प्रयोग स्वर चिन्ह के लिए किया जाता है। Hindi matra word is used for vowel sign. Yes, because we frame all the matras using the swar only. So the matra word is used for swar. When the consonant is pronounced without a vowel, a consonant takes the diacritic mark right slighting stop. Yes, all the vyanjans are incomplete. When we add swar only, they are complete. So without swar, they are incomplete. So in that we put one slanting line below the letter of Vyanjan, and that slanting line is called halan, which we already studied in our previous class. Yes, that slanting line below the letter you can see here. You can see one slanting line. So that are called halan, and it is called mool vyanjan. They are also called mool vyanjan. Yes, swar and its matras. So every swar having a secret sign, that is matra. It is a quick revision we will do, and then we will go for 12 khadi. The first letter of swar always don't have any secret sign, that is a. So no secret sign. And the second letter is a. For a ki matra. One standing line with one sleeping line up. A ki matra. The matra sign is called a ki matra. And the next letter is choti e. For choti e, the matra sign is one standing line with one curve up before the letter. That is, before the letter is choti e ki matra. After that, badi e ki matra, one standing line with one curve up after the letter. Badi e ki matra will come after the letter. Then choti u. Choti u, badi u and ri. All these three letters matra sign we will use below the letter. Where we will use? Below the letter. The matra sign will come below the letter. So choti u ki matra, one circle with one curve towards left inside. So that is choti u ki matra below the letter. After that, badi u ki matra, one circle with one slanting line towards right. That is outside. So that is badi u ki matra. After that, ri ki matra. Ri ki matra will also come below the letter, and you have to put one curve or one small c below the letter. Then that is ri ki matra. After that, a. For a ki matra, you have to put one balloon up. That is a ki matra. Only one balloon up is a ki matra. I ki matra, you have to put two balloon up. Two balloon up is I ki matra. After that, O. O ki matra is one balloon up with one standing line. In A ki matra, only one balloon up, and in O ki matra, one balloon up with one standing line after the letter. O ki matra will come after the letter, one balloon up with one standing line. After that, Au ki matra. Au ki matra is two balloon up with one standing line after the letter. Two balloon up with one standing line after the letter is Au ki matra. After that, Ang or that bindu, you have to put one small dot above the sleeping line. So that is also called bindu and anuswar. So the matra sign is one dot you have to put for ang letter, and that is anuswar. The dot is called anuswar. After that, aha. The last letter of swar is aha. For aha matra, you have to put two dots nearby or parallel to the letter, and that two dots are called visarga. What they call? Visarga. So this is the quick revision. We already studied this all matra sign of swar. I hope everyone is clear with the matra sign. Yes. Matra applied with Vyanjan. When we apply matra sign in Vyanjan, then they give 12 different sounds. So we are going to see that. With the example of K letter, we are going to add all the matras in K. First letter of Vyanjan, K वर्ग का पहला अक्षर K. जब हम मात्रा K अक्षर के साथ मिलाएंगे तो K 12 अलग अलग ध्वनियां देंगे, उसे हम बाराखड़ी कहते हैं. Yes. So the first letter, because without adding the swar, the vyanjans are incomplete, so we are writing K with one halant. We have put one slanting line below the K, you can see that is halant. So K, half K plus A, because the first letter of swar don't have any matra sign, then it is K. It will come as usual K. Then K plus A ki matra. K plus A ki matra, Ka. You have to stretch little bit and say Ka. After adding A ki matra in K, it becomes Ka. After that, half K plus choti E ki matra. Choti E ki matra. When we add half K with choti E ki matra, then it becomes Ki. It becomes Ki. You can see that below the letter the matra is there. Before the letter the matra sign is there for K. So this is Ki. K plus badi E ki matra, Ki. When we add badi E ki matra, it becomes Ki. After the letter the matra sign is there. One standing line with one curve up. After the letter is badi E ki matra, and now it becomes Ki. Then K plus choti U ki matra. When we add choti U ki matra in K, it becomes Ku. You can see the matra sign is below the letter, so Ku. Then K plus badi U ki matra, U. Yes, for all U, Ri, for all three, matra will come below the letter only. So this is Ku. Then K plus Ri ki matra or Ru ki matra you can say, then it becomes Kri or Kru. So this is Ri ki matra. K plus A ki matra, K. One balloon up. When we add K with A ki matra, it becomes K. K plus I ki matra, Kai. When two balloon up, the matra sign is two balloon up. Adding K with I ki matra is Kai. K plus O ki matra, Ko. After adding O ki matra, the K becomes Ko. One standing line with one balloon up after the letter. Then K plus Au ki matra. Two balloon up with one standing line. When we add with K Au ki matra, it becomes Kau. After the letter, the matra sign is there. And then K plus Ang ki matra. So for Ang ki matra, what you have to put? One dot above the sleeping line, and that is called bindu or anuswar, and it becomes Kang. And the last letter and the last matra, K plus Aha ki matra. For Aha ki matra, you have to put two dots nearby or parallel to the letter, and the two dots are called Visarga. Yes, Visarga, and now it becomes Kaha. So this is Ka Barakhadi. In the same way, we apply for all the Vyanjan. There are some letters for which Barakhadi will not be applied. Yeah.
Hello. Yes, Sadhana. When there is a doubt in chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. Okay. How many Barakhadi? Children, the Vyanjans are from K to H. That we have Barakhadi for all the letters, and even though for Sanyukta Vyanjan also Kshatra, Yashra, that 4 letters also we have Barakhadi. Only there is a change in the Ra Barakhadi, Ra letter Barakhadi, there is a change. So that we will let you know when we are going to teach you Ra letter Barakhadi. So others, all the letters we are going to put a same matra sign. So Barakhadi is for all the letters. Okay, clear now? Yes, ma'am. You can continue.
Yes, thank you. Wait a minute.
स्क्रीन स्टॉप हो गया
हाँ
है.
हाँ हाँ, मैं फिर से शेयर कर रही हूँ.
ऊपर प्ले है, देखिए ऊपर ऊपर, उसी को क्लिक कीजिए, पेज को. हाँ, ऊपर ऊपर देखिए, प्ले, थर्ड वन ऊपर. हाँ, यस.
हाँ, yes.
ओके.
Yeah, give me 1 minute. So now you can see all the swars in the first line of first row, all the swars are there, and in the second row you can see second line, you can see all the matra sign of swar. And now we are going to see 12 खड़ी of क वर्ग. क वर्ग का 12 खड़ी हम देखने वाले हैं. क वर्ग के अंदर टोटल कितने अक्षर आते हैं? There are 5 letters in क वर्ग. But in Ka Varga, the Barakhadi is there is only for the first 4 letters. Only for first 4 letters, Barakhadi is there. The last letter of Ka Varga, that is Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Ing. The last letter Ing, there is no Barakhadi for that letter because we use only sound of that letter. There is no word starting from that letter, so there is no Barakhadi for the last letter of Ka Varg, that is Ing. Clear? So Barakhadi is only for the 4 letters. Ka Varg के पहले 4 अक्षर का ही Barakhadi है, that is for Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha. Only for these 4 letters the Barakhadi is there, not for the 5th one. Clear? So the first letter is Ka. No matra sign. The second letter is Ka. A ki matra you have to put Ka. Then choti e ki matra ki before the letter. Then badi e ki matra after the letter. U ki matra. Wait a minute. So for Ka Barakhadi, first one Ka as usual, no matra sign. Second one Ka. Then Ki. Then Ki. Ku. Ku. Kri. Ke. Kai. Ko. Kau. Kang. Kaha. So this is Ka letter Barakhadi. After adding the 12 matra sign in Ka letter, you can see 12 different sounds of Ka. Clear? So that is Barakhadi. So I am now going to sing a song for Barakhadi. Listen. Ka, ka, ki, ku, kri, ke, kai, ko, kau, kang, kaha. If you learn in this way, it will be easy for you to remember. You will not forget easily. Okay. So learn in this way for all the Barakhadi, all the letters Barakhadi. It will be easy for you. Only the letters are going to change. The matra sign will be same for all the letters. You have to apply in the same way. Only you have to change the vyanjan. Matra will be same only. So this is Ka, first letter Barakhadi. Now second letter. Yes, the second letter is Kha with little bit H sound. As should come out the second letter Kha. And Kha Barakhadi is first letter as usual. Then the second is Kha. Then ki. 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 Ku. Ku. Kri. Ke. Kai. Ko. Kau. Kang. Kah. You can see the difference between ka and kha pronunciation. The sounds is totally different. For ka, no air, no her sound. And for the second letter kha, the air should come out with a little bit her sound. So, the kha barakhadi, ka, kha, ki, ku, kri, ke, kai, ko, kau, kang, kah. So, the second letter of ka varga barakhadi is this. Now we are going to see the third letter, that is G. No air, no her sound for the G, the third letter of Ka varga. Yes. So this is G barakhadi. And the first letter as usual, G. And the second letter A ki matra, Ga. The third letter छोटी ई की मात्रा गी. Fourth letter बड़ी ई की मात्रा गी. Then ऊ की मात्रा गू. बड़ी ऊ की मात्रा गू. री की मात्रा ग्री. Then ए की मात्रा गे. You can see after adding the matra sign, it sounds differently. So that is barakhadi. Then आई की मात्रा गई. ओ की मात्रा गो. औ की मात्रा गऊ. अंग की मात्रा गंग. आह की मात्रा गह. So this way you are going to learn all the barakhadis, all the vyanjan. We are going to use matra sign, and the same way we are going to say all the barakhadis. So this is third letter, G varga barakhadi. Yes, now I am G, Ga, Gi, Gi, Gu, Gu, Gri, Ge, Gai, Go, Gau, Gang, Gah. So the three letters of K varga barakhadi we have saw. And the last letter now, K varga का आखिरी अक्षर वो है Gh. With little bit her sound, as should come out Gh. Yes, yes. So this is Gh barakhadi. First letter as usual, no matra sign. Then the second one is Gha. Then Gi. G, Gha, Gi, Gi, Gu, Gu, Gri, Ge, Gai, Go, Gau, Gang, Gah. You can see the air by pronouncing the fourth letter of the word G. G, Gha, Gi, Gi, Gu, Gu, Gri, Ge, Gai, Go, Gau, Gang, Gah. So, this is the way to say all the barakhadis of Ka varga. So, the four letters of Ka varga barakhadi we have seen. Now, yes, Ka varga barakhadi. Yes, we are going to sing now. Yes, you can repeat after me by muting yourself. So, the first letter of Ka varga, Ka barakhadi. Ka, Ka, Ki, Ku, Kri, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kang, Kah. So this is the first letter. We have seen this so many times, Ka barakhadi. Yes, the second letter now, Kha. The second letter is Kha. Kha, Kha, Ki, Ku, Kri, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kang, Kah. So this is the second letter of Ka varga, Kha barakhadi.
1 minute, ma'am.
Matras are same, only the letter is changing. Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is low. Some parents are typing, but for me it's correct. Kindly please message others. Is it okay for everyone? because for me this is completely okay. Yes. Okay, so those for getting this low voice, please you just check your device volume. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. You can continue.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. And the third letter, that is G. No her sound, no air. So now we are going to see for G Barakhadi. G, Ga, Gi, Ki, Gu, Gu, Gri, Ge, Gai, Go, Go, Gang, Gah. So this is G Barakhadi. Same sign, same matras we are using, only the letters are changing, only the vyanjan is changing. Matras are, we are using the same way, okay? Yes, this is G Barakhadi. And now the last letter of K word, that is G. We are going to see G Barakhadi with the H sound and A. G, Ga, Gi, Gi, Gu, Gu, Gri, Ge, Gai, Go, Go, Gang, Gah. So this is the last letter of K word, G Barakhadi. I hope you are clear with Barakhadi, how to use matras in Vyanjan, and then it becomes Barakhadi. The same way you have to put for all the Vyanjans, only one letter R, there is a slight changing in Barakhadi. Then all other letters of Vyanjan, you have to use the matra sign in the same way. Okay? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Screen ऐसे ही रहने दीजिए.
हाँ ठीक है मैम, ठीक है मैम.
Okay. So children, you have learned the K Varga Barakhadi today. So in K Varga there are 4 letters K, K, G, G. And the last letter Ung, that letter we are taking only sound in some words. There is no beginning word, so we are not writing that Barakhadi. For example, if Ganga, Ung, that sound we have taken. Patang, Ung, that sound we are taken. So mostly when the bindu will come, no, that time mostly we will use that sound. So we are not writing that one letter Barakhadi here in K Varga. Now I'm going to tell you one small activity project for this Barakhadi. So listen carefully. You have to do, take one chart paper or one A4 sheet paper, write any one letter Barakhadi of K Varga. You have learned K Varga Barakhadi, yes? So write any one letter of Barakhadi with nice handwriting. Just write first with the pencil and then you can do with the sketch pens. And in corner you just write your name, grade and section. And when you are just hold that chart paper what you have prepared, take one picture and upload that picture in Hindi Google Classroom. Upload that picture in Hindi Google Classroom, and also you have to take one video. In that video, you have to hold that chart paper and you have to say your name in Hindi, what we have already learned, and you have to sing a song of that particular, that letter Barakhadi, and lastly you have to say Dhanyavad. Take that video and upload that video in Google Classroom Hindi room, then only we can check. So you all have codes of Google Classroom, so upload your video and photo in Google Classroom Hindi room. For example, I will give you how you have to say. If you want to say this G Barakhadi, so you have to say in video, Namaste Adhyapika ji, मेरा नाम स्प्रीता है. घ बाराखड़ी, घ, घा, घी, घी, घो, घो, घी, घे, घई, घो, घौ, घंग, घा. धन्यवाद. Dipti Turi, please mute yourself. Dipti Turi. See, teacher is saying some instructions. Okay, you have to listen first. So this is the way you have to do your video. You have to greet your teacher. You have to say your name, Mera Naam, if possible. If example, if your name is Nandika. So how you have to say? Mera Naam Nandika hai. If your name is Ojasvi, you can say मेरा नाम ओजस्वी है. If your name is Ram, you can say मेरा नाम राम है. Like this, you can say your name. Before that, just greet your teacher, Namaste Adhyapika ji or Pranam Adhyapika ji. Then sing a Barakhadi song, any one letter what you have prepared in chat. And then lastly, you have to say Dhanyavad. That means thank you. Understood? Clear everyone about the activity? Yes, I repeat once. In chart paper, you have to write any one letter of Barakhadi of Kavarga. And in corner, you have to give your name and grade section. Hold the chart paper and say, greet your teacher, say your name, sing a song of Barakhadi, say thank you in Hindi, that is Dhanyavad, and upload that video in Hindi Google Classroom. 2021-22 Hindi Google Classroom. Don't upload in last year's. Okay, we can't check that. And take a picture also holding with that chart paper and upload that picture also. Sitting at home, you are not wearing your favorite dresses. So wear your favorite dress and click that photo. Okay? Yes, I think everyone is clear now. Yeah. Okay, let's start the LSR now. So, Sadhna ma'am, kindly take the names.
Yes, ma'am. एक मिनट ma'am. Yes, first name 2D Jay Krishna.
Yes, 2D Jai Krishna. Dear, unmute yourself.
Sanjay Krishna.
Sanjay Krishna, sorry. Sanjay Krishna. Sanjay Krishna. Unmute yourself, dear. From 2D. Sanjay Krishna. Are you there? This is Elisa, dears. You have to respond. We are giving marks. You all know this. Yes? Not responding. Maybe he's absent. Okay, ma'am. Next name.
2E Shravan KS.
Yes. Shravan.
Yes.
Okay, Shravan. See which letter in the screen, which letter Barakhadi on the screen.
Ka.
Yes. Now read complete Barakhadi.
Ra.
Next, what is the next letter?
Ga. Gi. Gi. Gu. Gu. R. Ke. Kai. Kau. 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 Kam. Ha.
Yes, good dear, good try. Very good, but it's k. Okay, not k. It's k. You can feel the air when you are saying this letter. Okay. Yes, thank you, dear. Mute yourself.
Thank you.
Yes. Next 2F Namish Raghav.
Ma'am, Brinda, ma'am.
ओके नमिश राघव. नो नमिश राघव मैम हम लोगों ने नहीं दिया था ना नाम.
एक मिनट मैम.
सॉरी द नेक्स्ट नेम.
मैम आप व्हाट्सएप निकाल के देख सकते हो.
हाँ 1 minute. Okay, just a minute, dears. From 2F. From 2 है F Padmesh S. From 2F Padmesh S. Padmesh. Say yes. Jai Gurudev, dear. Okay, just you have to read which letter on the screen.
Ga.
Yeah, just tell me then sing the Barakhadi song.
Ga. Ga.
Hmm?
Gu. Gu. Ru.
Hmm?
K. I. O. Go.
Ganga. Very good. Good try. Padmesh, super. Yes, mute yourself.
Yes. Next name 2D Vidhat. V Vidhat.
Vidhat from Turi. Are you there? Hello? Vidhat? Ma'am, next name.
2E Shreyas P.
Yeah, Vidhat, you are there in class. You are not unmuting. What is the next name, ma'am?
Shreyas P. 2E. P Shreyas.
P Shreyas to E. Unmute yourself. You are there in class.
Dema.
Jai Gurudev dear. Read this. Which letter Barakhadi?
Ga.
Yeah. Read complete.
Ga. E. E. U. Kre. Kre. Ye. Gai. Go. Go. Gum.
Very good, very good. Good try, dear. Nice, Shreyash. Yes, next name, ma'am.
Ma'am.
2F Ranganathan.
Yes. Yes, from 2F. Hello?
Jai Gurudev.
Yeah,
Yes.
Ranganathan S. Yeah, dear. Read. Change कीजिए ना.
हाँ कर दिया.
1 minute, dear. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, dear. Okay. Which letter is this on the screen? Which letter, dear? On the. No. Just. Okay. Very good, Ranganathan. Very nice. Excellent. Mute yourself.
विधात को एक और बार बुलाएं क्या?
हाँ,
हो
बुलाइए.
गया मैम.
बुलाइए.
विधात 2D Vidhat V. You are there in the class. Please unmute. कौन है?
कौन है वही? नहीं समझ में आया. Yes, Vidat. Vidat 2D.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read this on the screen. Which letter?
Ga. Ga. ये कहीं लिखोला मैम.
What?
Ga.
Ga after? Vidat. Ranganathan, please mute yourself.
Ga.
Ranganathan 2F, mute yourself. Yes. Vidat. Gigi. After Gigi.
Gigi. Okay, ma'am.
Gugu.
Okay, ma'am. J, Gai, Go, Cow. Come, Kaha.
Gangaha. It's not ka. Okay, good try, Vidhat. Good job. Mute yourself. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ मैम,
Finish.
बस वही है, संजय कृष्णा नहीं है ना, बस वही एक नाम रह गया.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Okay, so this is about the K Bhara Khadi. And ma'am, थोड़ा सा screen आगे आगे ले लीजिए. Next page. So we will see the letters begin with the four words begin with the four letters K, K, G, G. K se kabutar, that means pigeon. K se khargosh, khargosh means rabbit. G se gamala, gamala means pot. Gh se ghadi, ghadi means clock. Okay, and the English spellings of all the K Bhara Khadi, I will send in your class group today. Yes, done. This all four letters Bhara Khadi, K, Kh, G, G, and English spellings are there, so it will be easy for you to read. So I will send this picture to your class group and the PPT. Once we finish all the letters, then we will send the PPT. Okay, dears, do your project. Be ready with your project. And the next class is on Monday. So Monday, you just show me that project in class. I will call any children and I will tell them to sing a song and introduce yourself. So this is the way we will check your speaking skills, and I want to see your activities on Monday's class. So you have 2 days. Prepare your chart and be ready. Yes, dear? K Varga Bhara Khadi, you can do. Yes.
We send a photo, ma'am.
No, don't send any photo in Telegram group. Photo and video you have to upload in Google Classroom. I will send the detailed message in class. And on Monday's session, we can call any children and you have to talk about your Bhara Khadi letter. Which letter you have? Okay? Yes. So any doubts? We have 1 more minute. Yes.
No doubt, ma'am.
Can you repeat?
ma'am.
Okay, can you repeat the project?
Call without calling us, ma'am.
Okay, I will repeat the project again. In one chart paper or A4 sheet, you have to write your name and class grade. You have to write one letter Bhara Khadi of K Varga with pencil, and then you can make it sketch pen. Any color you can select for the sketch pen, and then hold that chart paper, click one photo, upload that photo in Google Classroom, and you have to take a video that you have to tell your name, greet your teacher, tell your name, sing a one Bhara Khadi song which you have prepared in the chart paper, and say Dhanyavad, and that video you have to upload in Google Classroom. Okay, thank you so much. It's 9 o'clock. Class is going to end. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Have a nice day.